Hi, I'm Grant with MarineMax Jacksonville, and we're going to look at Grady-White's 257. This is a 2018 model in stock here in Jacksonville at MarineMax. Back on the back of this boat, we've got the very reliable twin 150 4-strokes on this boat. That's going to push this boat at about 48, 49 miles an hour. Super fuel efficient. You'll love these engines on this particular boat. You can also get this with a single engine, but obviously this is an offshore boat. We prefer the twin engine setup on there. Back in the back of the boat, you've got a large fish box right here. As you can see, this fish box is up above the water line, so you don't need a macerator to pump this fish box out. So this fish box is going to drain straight overboard by gravity. Freshwater shower back here on the back of the boat. And then here's your live well. Live well's got a blue interior, nice rounded edges. That's going to keep your bait calm, keep your bait alive. One thing that you'll notice about Grady-Whites is they've always got really heavy duty hardware. If you look at the door latch on this, if you look at the hinges that are on here, just looking at the door itself, that's an 1.5 inch thick fiberglass. This is no thin plastic piece on the back or just a little eye bolt on the back holding this door shut. Super heavy duty. That's Grady-White. They're overbuilt everywhere. Moving forward, you can see that you've got some nice combing pads on the side, both sides, with tow rails underneath. What those tow rails do is those allow you to put your feet up underneath there, and when you're fighting a fish, that gives you some security when you're over the side of the boat. Really nice feature to have that on there. Back seat on the Grady-Whites, you see this throughout a lot of their models. Super easy to use. Just flip it up and it's in place. Don't want it, you want more fishing room, put it back down. No legs to deploy, nothing like that. Super easy to use. Lots of rocket launchers. You know you're going to need a lot of pole holders on here. So you've got 4 on the hardtop T-top, 4 on the leaning post right here. You do have some storage underneath that and some tackle storage right there as well. Moving forward, double wide helm seat, stainless steel steering wheel with a speed knob on it, tilt steering. 25-footer has a nice large console down below with a porta potty. Porta potty can be removed if you just want that for storage space. This is a really nice feature with Grady-White, these backrests for when you're sitting up in front here, you're lounging. You don't have to take them out and put them somewhere like a lot of boats. These ones just fold out of the way. But when you're ready for relaxing and you just want to lounge forward, look how those backrests go in place that direction, or when you're not needing them, they go that direction. Again, you don't have to take them out, find somewhere to store them at. Moving forward, this 25 has got the anchor windlass. Again, super heavy duty hardware. Look at how beefy that anchor roller is on the bow of the boat. This boat is in stock at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Come see us today.